rational and irrational numbers. Practice set number 1.3. Question number first. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. Here given first sum 9 upon 37. 9 is considered as numerator and 37 is considered as denominator. Here 9 is divided by 37. 9. Now we will write 9 numerator. 9 is the numerator. Numerator is inside the sign of division. Now we will write 9 is 9 that is numerator is inside the sign of division, and now we will write 37 is outside the symbol of division. Okay, next, first of all, now we will put decimal point. First of all, now we will put decimal point on the top. Okay, when we are put a decimal point, now we will take uncountable zeros. Okay, uncountable zeros. When we are putting decimal point, we will take uncountable zeros. Uncountable zeros. After 9, we will put one decimal point, that is 0. Okay. In 37's table, 90 is not in 37's table. 90 is not in 37's table. 37 1s are 37, 37 2s are 74, 37 3s are 111. Therefore, now we will take 37 2s are 74. 37 2s are 74. Borrow this one to make 10. To make 10. Okay, 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. Here also 9 minus 1 means here remaining is 8. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Again we will take decimal point, that is 0. It becomes 160. We will search 160 in 37's table. We will search 160 is in 37's table. 37 are 37, 37 2s are 74, 37 3s are 111, 37 4s are 148, 37 5s are 185. Here 160 is not in 37's table. Now we will take less value of 160 in 37's table. 37 4s are 148. 37 4s are 148. 37 4s are 148. Borrow here or carry forward to make 10. To make 10, this 0 is to make a 10. 10 minus 8, that is 2. Here 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 4, that is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Therefore 1 minus 1 is 0. Again, now we will take decimal point. Decimal point, that is 0. Decimal point, that is 0. Here, now we will search 120 is in 37's table. Now we will search 120 is in 37's table. Okay, 37 1s are 37, 37 2s are 74, 37 3s are 111, and 37 4s are 148. Therefore, 120 is not in our 37's table. Therefore, now we will take 37 3s are 111. Therefore, 120 minus 111 is 9. 120 minus 111 is 9. Okay. Again, we will take decimal point, that is 0. That is 0. Here, 90 is not in a 37th table. Therefore, now we will take less than 93 value is 37 to the 74. 37 to the 74. Here borrow to make 10. This is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 1, that is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. Again we will put decimal point 0. Decimal point 0. Here once we will search 160 in 37th table. 37 1 37, 37 2 74, 37 3 111, 37 4 148, 37 5 185. 160 is not in a 37th table. Therefore, now we will take the less value of 160 is in 37th table. 37 4 148. 37 4 148. 37 4 148. Carry forward. That means now it becomes 10. Therefore, 10 minus 8 is 2. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Again, we will take decimal point. Decimal point, that is, we will search. First of all, we will search 120 in 37th table. 37 1 37, 37 2 74, 37 3 111. Here 120 is not in 37th table. That means now we will take less value of 120. Less value of 120 in 37th table is 37 3 111. 37 3 111. That is 120 minus 11 is 9. Therefore, the value is repeating. Now we will put on the number one sign, that is bar. Bar means repeating value. Now we will put this sign is repeating. That means this sign means repeating value. When the value is repeating, now we will put this bar on the number. Okay. Next, second question. 18 upon 42. 18 upon 42 is divided by the table 6. 6 3s are 18 and 6 7s are 42. 3 is considered as numerator and 7 is considered as denominator. Okay. Here this is division sign. This is sign of division. Now we will put numerator inside the sign of division. Numerator is 3 inside the sign of division. Okay. Next, denominator is outside the sign of division. Now first 3 is less than 7. Therefore, now we will put decimal point on this top. Okay. Now again, after this 3, now we will put 0. Therefore, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. Okay. First of all, we will see 30 in 7th table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. 30 is not in 7th table. Therefore, here less than 30 values in 7th table is 28. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 30 minus 28 means 2. 37 minus 20 means 2. 30 minus 28 means 2. Okay. Next, again we will take decimal point, that is 0. 20 is not in 7th table. 20 is not in 7th table. Therefore, now we will take 7 2s are 40. 7 2s are 40. 20 minus 40 means 6. 20 minus 40 means 6. Again, we will put decimal point after 6. 6 is 6, it becomes 60. Therefore, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 8s are how much? 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. Here 60 is not in 7th table. 60 is not in 7th table. 60 less value is 56. Therefore, 7 8s are this one. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. 60 minus 56 means, therefore the value is 4. The value is 4. This 4. Now we will take decimal point, that is 0. That is 0. In 7th table, 40 is not in 7th table. 40 is not in 7th table. 7 5s are 35. Now we will take 7 5s are 35. 35. Therefore, 40 minus 35 is 5. Again, we will put decimal point. Decimal point, that is 0. 50 is not in 7th table. Therefore, 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. Therefore, 50 minus 49 is 1. Again, we will put decimal point. Decimal point, that is 10. 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. Therefore, 10 minus 7 is 1. 10 minus 7 is 1. Sorry, 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. Now, we will again again we will put this 3 is put here, and again we will put decimal point, that is 3 becomes 30. 7 4s are, therefore 30 is not in 7th table. 30 is not in 7th table. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28 means the number is repeating. The number is repeating means 30 minus 28. 30 minus 28 means 7 4s are. This is the 7 4s are 28. Therefore, 30 minus 28 means what? 30 minus 28 means their value is 2. Here, if the value is repeating, therefore, now we will put on the number is bar. This sign is considered as repeating. That means the value is repeating this. Now we will put this sign. First sum, 9 upon 14. 9 is considered as numerator and denominator is 14. Here, this one is division sign. This is considered as division sign or symbol of division. Inside the symbol of division sign, inside the sign of division is 9. Now we are taking, now we will take 9 inside the sign of division, and outside the sign of division is 14. Here, first of all, 9 is less than 14. 9 is less than 14. Now we will put 0 decimal point. 0 is decimal point. When we are taking only one time decimal point, when we are taking only one time decimal point, after any number we will put 0. After any number we will put 0, or after the number we will put uncountable zeros. Okay, first of all we will put 0. 90 is not in 14th table. 14th table. Therefore, less value is 84. 19 less value is 84. Therefore, 14 6 are 84. 14 6 are 84. 90 minus 84 means 6. Again, we will put decimal point, that is 0. 60 is not in a 14th table. Again, we will take, now we will take 14 4s are 56. 14 4s are 56 means 60 minus 56 is 4. Again, we will take decimal point. Decimal point, that is 0. 14 1s are 40. 14 2s are 28. 14 3s are 42. 40 is not in 14th table. Now we will take 14 2s are 28. 14 2s are 28. Here, carry forward to make 10. This is 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. This one, carry forward. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Again, we will put decimal point, that is 0. Okay, 120 is not in 14th table. Not in 14th table. 14 8s are 112. 14 8s are 112. 120 minus 112 means 120 minus 112 means 8. Okay. Again, we will put decimal point. Decimal point, that is 0. It becomes 80. 80 is not in 14th table. Okay. Now we will take 14 5s are 70. 14 5s are 70. That is 10. 10 means again we will put 0 value or again we will put decimal point. 100 is not in 14th table. Therefore, now we will put 14 7s are 98. 14 7s are 98. 100 minus 98 means 2. It becomes, now we will write to upper side here. When we are taking 20 means here 2, again we will take 100 minus 98, that becomes 100 minus 98 means 2. Now we will put decimal point, that is 0. Therefore, 14 1s are 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. 6 means again we will put decimal point, that is 0. 60 is not in 14th table. Therefore, 14 4s are 56. 60 minus 56 means 4. 60 minus 56 means 4. Therefore, the value is repeating. The value is repeating means 0.642857. The value is 0.642857 is repeating. Fourth question, minus 103 upon 5. Minus 103 upon 5. This is considered as numerator and this one is considered as denominator. First of all, now we write 103 and 5. This one, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. This 3 coming down. Now we will put 0 upper side. Okay. 3 minus, now we will here also, now we will put 0. 3 minus 0 means 3. 3 minus 0 means 3. Now we will put decimal point. Now we will put decimal point. Decimal point means now we will put here 0. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. 30 minus 30 is 0. Here minus 103 means here also minus 20.6 minus 20.6. Here also minus 20.6. 20 points here minus 20.6 means minus 103 upon 5 is equals to minus 20.6. Fifth question is homework. Minus 11 upon 30.